Well, welcome back to another episode of Chase Miller Hammer Repairs. Today we're fixing HP 2511X that doesn't work with hammer. The problem with this monitor that we're facing today, if you see the charging port here, you put a plug in it and then it doesn't turn on. If you remember, it's right there. So on the other side, it should be right about here. If I give this just a nice little tap right here, I think it'll push it out enough that it'll start taking power and it'll work like it was supposed to. So let's put that to the test. I don't know if it works. Did it work? Did that work? Did that work? That work? That work? That work? Well, looks like it didn't work. Hey guys, I'm back again with a follow-up to the last episode of Chase Miller Hammer Repairs. One of my commenters let me know that I wasn't doing it the right way, so I was going to try and come out here and do it again. Butterfingers. But anyways, they said I was doing more like a tap, and it was supposed to be more like more like that. If you can get a good look at that, it's supposed to be more like that sort of, or like that. So let's see if that works and I'll get back to you. Alright, so that concludes this episode of Chase Miller Hammer Repairs. Like and subscribe, comment, tell me what you want to see me fix next. And remember, do your patriotic duty, get out there and vote.